Hello everyone and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, achy, and older than your age? Do you wish to stay youthful and vibrant, both on the inside and outside? It's essential to know that what you eat can significantly affect how you feel and look. Some foods may even speed up the aging process, making you feel older than your actual age. Therefore, it's crucial to be mindful of what you eat. Today on Healthy Tablespoon, we will reveal the top 12 foods that can make you feel old and explain why you should avoid them. So get ready to take notes and make some dietary changes. Your body and mind will thank you. 1. White bread and pasta. White bread and pasta may be tasty, but did you know that consuming these foods regularly can accelerate the aging process? How does this happen? It's due to their high glycemic index, which causes a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health problems, including accelerated aging. Additionally, high insulin levels can lead to a process called glycation, which causes damage to proteins in the body, including collagen, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. So instead of white bread and pasta, opt for whole grain alternatives like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These foods are high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. 2. High-sodium foods. Older adults, especially those with a history of hypertension, should be cautious about consuming excessive amounts of salt. If you find that your food is lacking in flavor, consider incorporating various herbs and spices rather than relying on table salt. It's also important to check the sodium content on nutritional labels. According to the Health and Medicine Division of the National Academies of Sciences, seniors over 71 years old should limit their daily sodium intake to no more than 1/2 grams. By being mindful of your salt intake and seeking out alternative sources of flavor, you can help protect your health and reduce your risk of developing health issues related to excessive sodium consumption. 3. Artificial sweeteners. Sugar replacements have become a popular choice for those seeking a healthy alternative to cut down on calories. But did you know that many artificial sweeteners can actually contribute to depression and even be toxic to the brain? Studies have shown that people who consume artificial sweeteners, particularly in diet drinks, are more prone to depression than those who avoid them. Moreover, these sweeteners can interfere with mood-regulating neurotransmitters, leading to potential brain damage. So why not opt for natural sweeteners like honey or agave nectar instead? Instead of artificial sweeteners, opt for natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or stevia. These sweeteners are low in calories and won't disrupt your gut bacteria, making them a healthier alternative to artificial sweeteners. By cutting down on artificial sweeteners, you can safeguard your mental health and well-being. 4. Processed foods. Are you feeding inflammation and chronic pain? Beware of processed foods. Loaded with sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats, they are a recipe for disaster. From heart disease to diabetes and arthritis, these ingredients can wreak havoc on your health. And if that's not enough, processed foods can also pack on the pounds, adding extra pressure on your joints. Instead of processed foods, opt for whole foods that are rich in minerals and vitamins. Fruits and vegetables, such as citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, and vegetables, are excellent choices. These foods are high in antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. 5. Alcohol. Cheers to our health, not to harm. While alcohol may appear to be a companion in both good times and bad, beware of the hidden dangers that come with it. This notorious depressant can slow down your metabolism and trigger inflammation, which can lead to a variety of health issues, ranging from liver damage to heart disease. Moreover, alcohol can cause your skin to dehydrate and age prematurely, undoing your beauty regime. Do not let alcohol deprive you of your good looks and well-being. Instead of alcohol, opt for a glass of red wine in moderation, which is rich in antioxidants that can help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Or try a non-alcoholic alternative like sparkling water with fresh fruit or herbs. 6. Industrial seed oils. Before we get into industrial seed oils, click the link in the description to discover a powerful juice that some of the leanest, healthiest, and longest-living men and women drink every morning. Click the link in the description to discover a belly juice that will allow you to dissolve stubborn, clogged fat easily and flood your body with newfound energy and vitality. Now, let's get straight into industrial seed oils. The industrialization of the food industry has given rise to the production of low-cost, highly processed oils made from the byproducts of abundant crops such as corn, grapeseed, soybean, sunflower, and palm. These oils, when processed, contain excessive amounts of inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids, while lacking the beneficial anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that support brain health. Scientific research has shown that people who consume foods rich in omega-6 fatty acids are at a greater risk of depression compared to those who consume foods rich in omega-3s. When cooking, it's advisable to opt for anti-inflammatory alternatives like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. 7. Sugary drinks. Is your sweet tooth sabotaging your health and beauty goals? Watch out for sugary drinks like soda, fruit juices, and sports drinks. Loaded with empty calories and excessive sugar, these culprits can pave the way to obesity, diabetes, and other health woes. They can also take a toll on your pearly whites, leaving you with a less than stellar smile. Instead of sugary drinks, opt for water, herbal tea, or fresh juices that are low in sugar. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help keep your skin hydrated and looking youthful. 8. Low-fat ice cream. If you have digestive problems, you may want to hold off on the trend of low-fat ice cream. This is because these ice creams typically replace sugar with sugar alcohols, which can have a laxative effect on the body if consumed excessively. This effect is especially quick for those with a sensitive stomach or digestive system. 9. Fried foods. Are you getting fried by your favorite foods? Then beware of the calorie bombs, unhealthy fats, and salt-loaded dangers lurking in every crispy bite. Consuming fried foods regularly can weigh you down, causing joint pain and inflammation. And if that's not alarming enough, they can also fry your health, increasing your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health hazards. Don't let fried foods get the best of you. Instead of fried foods, opt for grilled, baked, or roasted options that are cooked with healthy oils such as olive oil or coconut oil. These oils are rich in healthy fats that can help lower inflammation and promote healthy aging. 10. Caffeine. Could caffeine be your frenemy in disguise? Be cautious of its energizing effects that come at a cost. This potent stimulant can cause a spike in your heart rate and blood pressure, resulting in several health risks such as anxiety and nervousness. Additionally, caffeine can dehydrate your skin, causing early signs of aging. Instead of caffeine, opt for green tea, which is high in antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and promote healthy aging. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and can help reduce stress. 11. Raw or undercooked eggs, meat, and poultry. Are meat and poultry sizzling your health and happiness? Raw or undercooked eggs, meat, poultry, and sushi can be a source of food poisoning, which can lead to sepsis and septic shock. While anyone can develop an infection and subsequent sepsis, seniors are particularly vulnerable. It's important to cook these foods thoroughly and handle them with care to reduce the risk of contamination. By taking steps to avoid foodborne illness, seniors can help protect their health and avoid potentially serious complications. Instead, opt for lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish, or plant-based sources like lentils, beans, and tofu. These foods are rich in protein and other essential nutrients that can help keep your body healthy and promote healthy aging. 12. Added and refined sugars. Added and refined sugars can be found not only in desserts and cereals, but also in unexpected foods like ketchup, salad dressings, and even savory items like French fries. Consuming excessive amounts of added and refined sugars can worsen inflammation and cause a sugar rush that can result in unstable mood levels and heightened anxiety. As sugar can be addictive, reducing our sugar intake can reduce our cravings over time. To curb sugar dependency, opt for whole foods that are free of added sugars. If you crave something sweet, try to grab a handful of blueberries or indulge in a small piece of extra dark chocolate. Thanks for joining us on this journey to uncover the foods that may be aging you faster than you think. Remember, making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your health and appearance. By incorporating more anti-aging foods and avoiding those that contribute to premature aging, you can maintain your youthful glow and enjoy a healthier life. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you live your best life.